Actually going to begin the video with the ending of the video because I have finished for the day, and the first video that I shot this morning for me taking off had two sets of sunglasses on my head. So I was kind of silly this morning, and I also have a new computer to do my editing, and I looked at some other editing and oh my gosh, I gotta be careful about how close I get because really do. I do look old, but that's okay. I'm healthy. That's what's important. So here we go. The beginning of the video, and the end is, I don't know what it's going to look like. I think I'm going to put a bunch of fruit trees in there. Maybe that's the kumquats. Those are pretty cool. This is a Chirimoya grove. And since this is an organic farm, no herbicides are allowed. So all that noise you're hearing out there are weed whackers. There's a crew knocking all that green carbon back down to the ground to go back into the soil and do its thing here in this canyon. So we're going to go up there. What is that? Well, I can hit it from... Dog went straight up this hill. What are you doing up there? Well, what are you gonna do now? You climbed up there. Oh, I'm leaving. I'll see ya. Bye. You better come back around this way. Don't come down the same way you came up. You can't do that, Sky. She'll find her way back out. Oh boy, here are the midge flies. Out of here. And we'll talk about the midge flies. Ah. That's as high as we go. Almost. Meyer lemons, cantaloupe, cocktail fruit, and this was just whacked down last week, and it's pretty dry already. Kumquats. These were already harvested. This tree was full, but these are called miwa kumquats. Really good, real tasty. Well, my bananas took a beating in the wind. It was windy. Here's where we started our trek today, where the little blue dot is. We went all the way to the top of the hill. We went about 800 feet, went back down and took a bunch of pictures, and we went all the way around the canyon. And then I got notification that my new PC, or rebuilt PC, was in. So I took a trip to Fallbrook. That's 27 miles round trip, and I'm back home editing. So I'm not too sure how good this is going to turn out, but what the heck? It's my first try working with this iPro, or it's an Apple computer, Macintosh. Yeah, a Mac Catalina Silver. It's nice.